Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 21st September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous question. Our first question was Amazon has signed with whom for its Alexa voice assistant? Akshay Kumar, Amitabh Bachchan, Karan Johar. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Amitabh Bachchan. Option B is correct here. Amazon has signed off with Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan for its Alexa voice assistant. Okay, Amazon. The CEO and founder of the Amazon is Jeff Bezos, and it is founded in 5th July 1994. On 1994 it is founded and headquarters is situated in Washington DC. Okay, our second question was My Family My Responsibility campaign started in which state? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Bihar, Odisha. The correct answer here is Maharashtra. Option A is correct here. Recently, the Chief Minister of the Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, has launched a statewide campaign named My Family, My Responsibility because the various numbers of cases are of COVID-19 founded in Maharashtra. Okay, maximum number of cases arise in Maharashtra. So, My Family, My Responsibility campaign started by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So, proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is according to OEDC, India's GDP to contract by how much percentage? 9%, 10.2%, 11.2%, option D 8%. The correct answer here is 10.2%. Option B is correct here. OEDC. What is OEDC? First abbreviation of OEDC is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Okay. So the OEDC has forecast a deeper contraction of the 10.2% for India in the current fiscal. Okay, 10.2%. And according to ADB, it is contract by 9%. According to CRISIL's also, it is 9%, contract by 9%. And according to Moody's, it is contract by 11.2%. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has constituted a task force to look into guideline for vegan food in the country? FSSAI, ICMR, ICAR, option D, AIMS. The correct answer here is option A, FSSAI. Abbreviation is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Recently, FSSAI has constituted a task force to look into the guideline and the provision for the vegan food means vegetarian food in the country. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which bank has launched a new gold loan scheme Vikas Laghu Subarna? PNB, SBI, KVG Bank, option D, ICICI. The correct answer here is option C, KVG Bank. Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. The full form is Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. Recently launched a new gold scheme named Vikas Laghu Subarna. Remember the name of the scheme, Vikas Laghu Subarna. Okay. Next question. Tamil Nadu government has signed an MOU with whom on a broad objective of economic recovery and growth monitoring? NCRT, ISB, Reliance, option D, none of these. Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is ISB. Option B is correct here. So, Indian School of Business. ISB stands for Indian School of Business. Okay, Tamil Nadu government signed an MOU with ISB. It will work on a broad objective of economic recovery of growth monitoring, especially in post COVID-19 period. Especially in post COVID-19 period. Okay, Tamil Nadu is in news. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Chief Minister of the Tamil Nadu is E.K. Palaniswamy. And Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. Okay, next question. The central government has approved the proposal of NTTM for how many years? 4 years, 5, 3, 2. The correct answer here is 4 years. Option A is correct here. Recently, the central government has approved the proposal for the creation of the National Technical Textile Mission. NTTM stands for, or abbreviation is National Technical Textile Mission, for a period of 4 years. Remember, for a period of 4 years. Okay. Next question. Babu Sivan passed away. He was related to which field? Sports, journalism, film. Option D, research. The correct answer here is option C, film. Okay, the Tamil director Babu Sivan recently passed away. Tamil director Babu Sivan recently passed away. So he related to film direction. Okay, you can see the image of Babu Sivan here. Okay, a Tamil director. Next question. Which state has approved the State Teacher Award Policy 2020? Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer here is Haryana. Option A is correct here. Recently, the Haryana government has approved the State Teacher Award Policy 2020. This policy will be deemed applicable for 29 August 2020. Okay. Haryana is in news. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Chief Minister is Manohar Lal Khattar. Okay. And Satyanarayan Arya is the governor of Haryana. Satyanarayan Arya is the governor of Haryana. Okay. Next question. Which bank introduced iLead 2.0 to boost customer service? Canara Bank, SBI, HDFC, IDBI. The correct answer here is Canara Bank. Option A is correct here. Recently, the Canara Bank has launched the lead management system iLead 2.0. The system has been launched to provide its service to customer. Okay, for boost the customer service, iLead 2.0 is launched by Canara Bank. Okay, next question. When World Bamboo Day is observed? 17 September, 18 September, 19 August or 20 December? The correct answer here is 18th September. 18th September. Option B is correct here. World Bamboo Day is observed globally on 18th September in every year. Okay, and this year it is 11th edition of the World Bamboo Day is observed. In 2020, it is 11th edition of World Bamboo Day is observed. And the theme of 2020 is Bamboo Now. Bamboo Now. Bamboo Now is the theme of 2020. Okay. Next question. Ashok Gasti passed away. He was related to which field? Politics, sports, journalism or film? The correct answer here is politics. Option A is correct here. Recently, Ashok Gasti passed away and he related to politics because the Rajya Sabha, he was the former Rajya Sabha member of parliament, MP from Karnataka. Okay, and recently he passed away due to COVID-19. Okay, due to COVID-19. You can see the image of Ashok Gasti here. He died due to COVID-19. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per you know, this is our question of the day and you have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who chaired the G20 environmental ministerial meeting? Okay, our second question is, which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana? Please try to answer more and more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. And if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visit educational doing, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can get the notification very fast. Thank you. Have a great day.